Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is spend a whole day with me. Today I'm doing hiking. I'm going to be doing my hair by myself. I'm going to be getting ready for lunch or dinner and then a movie. So you're just going to see every single thing I want to do today. So my friends and I decided to do like a prayer walk. If you guys don't know what a prayer walk is basically like coming together, praying together, walking together. While walking. And sitting down reading the word. I'm supposed to get there at 9 o'clock. I'm on time. I'm supposed to start vlogging with my new vlogging camera, but tell me why yesterday I opened it up thinking that Sony provides like the battery charger. It only came with the batteries, but the batteries are dead, so I wasn't able to use it. But this is my new vlogging camera. Currently right now I'm vlogging with my old one just because I want to like still vlog today. But once I figure this out, we're going to be hopping on this Sony. I'm excited to go on this hike. I'm excited to like worship, just release, just pray, all of that stuff. Next time, comment down below what type of prayers you want us to pray for the next time so we could pray for you guys. Or just, I don't know, DM me on Instagram if you don't want your prayers all down in the comments. You could DM me. I could pray for you guys. Finally here, and it's 9:13, and we're supposed to start the trail actually at 9 o'clock, so we're already running like mad late. The place that I'm at is called the Billy Goat Trail. It's called the Billy Goat Trail, located in, I don't know what part, I think this is Laurel, if I'm not mistaken. You do have to pay $20 freaking to come in here. It ain't free unless you park someplace that's like 30 minutes away for it to be free to walk in the park. Guess who's here?
Do you have space in your back? It's about to chuck it in the wind.
We got speakers. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Don't act shy.
No, seriously.
Like what? Don't do that. Wait, as y'all can see, I'm sweating. I'm over here vlogging when we need focus.
Thank you. Okay. Yeah.
Not like, oh, okay. Hey guys.
Yeah, 9. The girl who you're seeing on a vlog, but you never see her on Instagram. Whatever. Alright, y'all, back to hiking.
Yeah, y'all. Okay, guys,
so y'all go all the way up?
Not all the way up. We're about to climb this whole thing.
Okay, girl.
Leave me alone.
Say whatever. Oh, y'all, people are coming. Called arrange. Okay, Donnie, you can meet us over.
We're done. So I decided to stop I look so crazy right now, oh my gosh, but I decided to stop at the fabric store so I could get some fabric because I have orders to do before I leave, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it on time, so we're just gonna see. But as soon as I get home, right now we're pushing at like 3. As soon as I get home, I'm just gonna like get myself together because we're about to leave very soon. I have to do my hair. Y'all see my hair? My hair is looking crazy. Yeah, I'm in the garage trying to do my hair. It's a little ghetto right now, but yeah, I'm in the garage. Okay guys, this is what my hair is looking like. I just got out the dryer, so I'm about to see if I can at least try to do like, ooh, sorry y'all, but at least try to do like, you know, my edges and stuff. So, well, maybe I should do the top first. What should I do, y'all? Because I gotta hurry up.
what's going on today. We going out to eat.
Going out to eat.
And we're watching Barbie.
Barbie! You know what's crazy? We're not even wearing nothing pink and watching Barbie.
No.
That's how you know we just watch it for vibes.
You know?
You know?
It don't matter.
Can I have your hat? Oop.
Girl, please, sit your hat. Alright.
How you feeling right now?
I feel good. It feels good.
Going in.
Oh,
the
yes.
Ramen. Today I'm going to be a stylist for a shoot. One of my photographers, we work together. So his team, my team, merging together to come up with a shoot. So I'll show you guys the behind the scene, see how it is. Because I usually don't like to record myself when I'm working, but I really want to bring you guys along through this process. So I hope you enjoy. But now I have to hurry up and go inside because I am kind of, well, I'm on time. My call time was 4:30, but it's like 4 o'clock right now, so I got some time. So we are here to get prepared for the shoot. You want to introduce yourself on camera?
It's Karsten's Portfolio. Karstens Portfolio.
Yo, Javon JPR Create. Hey, studios, that's where we at.
Hey. Yeah.
Oh, good to see you there. Welcome. We're on set of our Crown by Fry. I'm Khadija Ajra, the model of the scene, and get comfortable. Gonna have a good time.
Hey, glad you decided to join us. I'm here on set with Khadija and Goodness. We're working on a masterpiece of some sorts. I'm Javon and everybody, the team, they're in the back getting everything prepared and set. And yeah, about to make some magic.
Say what?
I'm saying.
Oh, yes.
Okay, you guys, so it's a wrap. This shoot took like, I don't even know. This is the studio. We're on our way to Benji's. So my sister got her PJs. I got my PJs on. Yeah, why not? So see you guys when I get there. Bye. This is the line to Benji's. Like, to the drive-in movie theater. This is crazy. Alright, so we're about to get something to eat. This is what it looks like. Come with me, come with me. Got the food options on the side. Very good shop. We're about to get some ice cream, popcorn, pretzels, pizza, all of it in a book because we are hungry, so. Hey you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this Spend a Day With Me vlog. As you know, this is the ending of the vlog. And yeah, yesterday was a lot. I'm not gonna hold you. Like, yesterday was a lot, but just to be transparent on here, like, the Barbie movie, I would say the marketing was really good, but the movie itself just wasn't. As soon as I seen Issa Rae, I was satisfied. Like, the movie as a whole, like, the plot, all of that, I mean, it was okay. I would rate it a 5 out of 10, and that's just me being generous. The ramen spot, I like the ramen spot, but the people that I went with, they didn't really like it either. But I kept telling them, like, this was the wrong batch, because the first time I went there, I was just like, nah, this is an 8 out of 10. And when I ate again with them, it wasn't really giving that 8 out of 10 that I was raving about, but I liked it overall. So make sure you guys check it out. If you guys have some prayers, like, you want me to pray for you, just send me a DM or a comment down below, depending whichever your preference, and I will definitely pray for you for any situation that you're in, to be honest. And also, if you want me to show more behind the scenes of what I do. If you really like the photo shoot type of thing, let me know, because I'm thinking about doing maybe a day in my life at work or something like that, or like come with me to work day, I don't know, but let me know down below, or DMs or whatever. Close up this vlog with these beautiful flowers. Did you guys see them? I'm such a flowers girl. Like, just want to show you guys how cute these are. You guys, in my next video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what type of videos you want to see in this channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.